Hello friends, welcome to Bhavesh ki Pathshala. This is a YouTube channel where I am uploading all the technical related videos in the field of AI, website development, Python and open source software specifically related to the library science, which includes Koha, DSpace, Subject Coral and other open source softwares. So in this video, first what I believe is whenever we are going to school, we are starting from the ABCD. So what I thought, let me start my YouTube channel with the ABCD of AI. So in this video, I am putting certain jargons that are normally comes into the AI fields. So we will go through each and every jargon starting from A to Z. So let's start. So first, A for agent, A for agent, B for bias, B for bias, C for context window, C for context window, D for diffusion, D for diffusion, E for embedding, E for embedding, F for fine tuning, F for fine tuning, G for GPT, G for GPT, H for hallucination, H for hallucination, I for inference, I for inference, J for jailbreak, J for jailbreak, K for knowledge base, K for knowledge base, L for LLM, L for LLM, M for multimodal, M for multimodal, N for neural network, N for neural network, O for open source AI models, O for open source AI models, P for prompt, P for prompt, Q for quantization, Q for quantization, R for RAG, R for RAG, S for supervised learning, S for supervised learning, T for tokens, T for tokens, U for unsupervised learning, U for unsupervised learning, V for vector database, V for vector database, W for weights, W for weights, X for XGBoost, X for XGBoost, Y for YOLO, Y for YOLO, Z for zero shot, Z for zero shot. I hope you like this video. In upcoming videos, I will make a separate videos for each jargons for better understanding. So like this video and subscribe this channel, because in the upcoming times I will upload a various videos related to the different topics, which includes Python starting from basic to advanced level, also AI automation on the different videos related to the N8N. I will create a separate end-to-end applications. I will host some open source LLM model in my local system and explain you how you can use these kind of LLM models in your projects. So this channel is really helpful to understand your technical skills, and also you can keep upgraded in the field of AI. So my request you to all of you that kindly subscribe this channel and share with your friends, those who are really willing to learn AI and keep updated with the technologies. On the top of that, I will create a separate playlist for the library related open source software, which includes Koha, DSpace, subject guides and other software which are really useful for the library professionals. Okay, so keep touch and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.